Thokozisi umntana Thokozisi umntana kasisi wami esikhonzile sisi wami omdala was born in 1998. He's 27 years old. So Thokozisi, he used to, after matric he came to Joburg. I used to help him to look for jobs there and there, and then he would work, and then his work where I've worked also as well, and then he decided to relocate to back home in KZN, and then since then he's been trying to make a living for himself so that he can provide for himself and his mother. You know, he's the only child, so he's been trying to provide for his mother. So then just a couple of months back, he kept telling me, I'm coming back to Joburg, I've got an Uber, I'm going to get an Uber car, and then it will go quiet, and then again it will come back. How is it going? Just normal chats now and then. How is it going? I'm going to get that Uber, I'm telling you. And then eventually got the Uber about 2 weeks ago, and then he only started on Monday, and then boom, Wednesday night we get the news. I'm like, how? But just speaking to this person, he was so excited that he's gonna make a living for himself. He's gonna be able to provide for his mother, who's a sickly person herself. So what we're getting here from the office, we just want them to communicate with us.